Hey there guys, it's Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance and I've just arrived at this apartment building in Brunswick in Melbourne, and I'm going to be painting this two-bedroom apartment that hasn't been done in 7 years. So it's looking a little bit tired and it needs a bit of love so that it can be rented back out to the lucky person who's going to get a brand new clean apartment. As you come in from the entrance, we've got a real basic, simple apartment living here, straightforward, and the walls have got a couple of little issues like this, where pictures have been taken down. These types of hooks have been removed from the wall and caused some damage, so they need a little bit of repair. And then we've got some scratches and some dirt marks from various bits of wear and tear that you can see here. So this place is going to get repaired, and then all the little repairs will get a little bit of an undercoat, and all these holes will go away. We'll get rid of all these holes where all screws have gone up, so that when the new tenants come in, there isn't anything on the walls. There isn't any of this dirty stuff on the walls. And this is just regular wear and tear, but it's been a while, so it's looking quite tired. We'll take down all these hooks. We'll paint all the bedrooms and get rid of all these stains and all these dirt marks that are on the walls. And we'll paint inside the wardrobes and get them looking really good as well and fresh, so people can put their clothes back in there. And we'll get rid of all these marks from beds and bed heads that were missing, and all the stuff that just goes on in a regular place that gets rented out for a really long time. Then we'll go in and tidy up the kitchen and just make sure that it's fresh around the ceiling, above the cupboards, and we'll just make it look nice and clean. Then we'll go through and we'll paint the bathroom and the toilet, which isn't that glamorous, but nonetheless, we'll get it done so it's nice and fresh, and we've got a fresh paint smell in there. And then we'll sort out the bathroom, which is also the laundry in this particular apartment. So it's not too dramatic, nothing major, just a bit of love. And it happens really quick in a place that's this small. So if you're looking for a place to paint, hooks to come down and walls to be repaired, give us a call. Give Melbourne City Maintenance a call on 0403 162 374. Ask for Bill and I'll come out and give your place a quote and get rid of all these old stains and blemishes on these walls. And finally, the last thing that we'll do is we'll paint all the doors and door frames to make sure that they're fresh and that they last another 7 years. Now this place has had a little bit of water damage in its time, so there was some timber damage done to the doors and the door frames. So in this week they'll also be replaced and they'll be as good as new. I'll take you around when it's all complete to show you what it looks like, so you can get a good sense of the before and after. All right guys, it has been 4 days now and we've completed the painting job at the apartment in Brunswick, and I'm going to take you through for a tour just so you can see the after. All right, and here we go. This is the entrance, and the carpet still hasn't been replaced, but that's being done by another tradie. And this is what we've done. We've taken down all the blinds and we've given the architraves around the window a freshen up. And remember, these walls, which you can't really, there's not really much to show you, but these walls were full of damage because of hooks that were removed, as well as scratches and a lot of stains. And you can see that all that stuff is gone now. And this wall had a hook and a missing piece of plaster on it as well, and some stains, and they're all gone. And then there was this big stain in the middle of this wall that's no longer there either. So that's come up really nice. It's fresh, and now the place is looking brand new. In this first bedroom, we had stains all along the back of this wall, which was the wall from where the bed head was. And all those stains are now gone. And there's nothing that's visible to the eye that shows any damage because it's all been repaired, painted over, and now it's looking brand new. We also painted inside the cupboards, and there's not much to show there, but nonetheless, the cupboards are now clean and fresh and ready for a new person to put their clothes in there. This kitchen wall also had a hook on it, which came off nice and cleanly, so we didn't get much damage. And here we've freshened up the walls again, but there's not really much to see. And that's how my clients love it. They love it so that nothing is visible and it all looks brand new. As we go down the hallway and into the second bedroom in this 2-bedroom unit, you'll notice once again that everything is nice and clean. There isn't that much to show you because there isn't anything there to see. Everything looks nice and fresh and it's all done. It looks excellent. And check out how the doors turned out. The doors look like they've just been put on and they're brand new. And remember these architraves, there was some water damage and they had the bottom part missing. So these architraves have been replaced now with brand new ones and door jambs. Actually, they're door jambs, not architraves. And now they're looking awesome. And here's the other one that's looking awesome too, because that one into the bathroom had some water damage. And you can see the stains in the carpet that caused those damage to those door jambs. So now they're gone and the walls are looking fresh and the architraves are looking brand new, and you wouldn't even know that they were replaced. Again, the shower and bathroom area, which was very uneventful, had a freshen up and a clean up, and it's looking nice and fresh as well. And as we go out of the bathroom and into the toilet, which is not glamorous at all, let's face it, you can see that it's just looking nice and clean and fresh. Not glamorous, but still needing to be treated in the same way as every other room. So that's it from me. It's been a pleasure to do this job, and I'm really looking forward to getting in touch with the client and asking them to add to the 5-star reviews that we already have on Google. Probably 25 5-star reviews now from our happy clients. So I'm hoping to get another one to add to my bow. And if you're looking for somebody to help you paint your apartment or any other painting in Melbourne, please give me a call, Bill, 0403 162 374. Thank you.